Okay guys, I'm going to do a little video this way around. Look how shiny that is, it's just been all washed out. And people still about, it's 3:04 at the moment. Yeah, time check for you. In the morning that is. Not the middle of the night for most people. 2:04 in England, yeah. Plenty of people about still. In the silly zone now, obviously. Having a beer or two. Never had a problem with this though. This is now filming. We are about halfway up Levante Beach at the moment. I think they'll get more increased. Maybe it won't, because therefore I'll probably shut some of the places now. Oh look, anyway. Never had a problem with this. I think people are drifting back to their apartments, hotels. We're stopping. Well, the girls meeting the boys. I think you know the rest, guys. Hi. So how safe it is here, guys. It's gone 3 in the morning. Ladies walking around on their own. Everybody gives everybody a bit of banter. Here, lads. There we go. Now we're in the video, we're putting music on it. Go. Yeah. So the horror stories, you really, yeah. It's if you're unsensible, isn't it? Unsensible, is that the right word? You're not sensible. Go out a few of your mates, good mates, stick with them. Whether you're a lad or you're a lass, do the same, always. I've been lucky in my life when I needed people go that way. I've been there. And when I used to go out nightclubbing regular, I used to have most of the nightclub looking after me, so yeah, I was a little bit older than they were, like 25 at the time then. was the man. I haven't had sex change or anything, but when I was the man. What I'm trying to do tonight is just show you how safe it is out here. Somebody's walking out, might have a bit of banter, but yeah, that's what it is. There's one thing, it's really hard to sleep over here at the moment. I do agree with that. The heat is just intense. No air. Seems to like these night videos, so I'm going to keep doing them if you like them. The bin men have not been down here yet. You can follow me, is he? I think he was on the other video. People down there on the beach, and I can see it. Are they going early for tomorrow, or just chilling? You'd really be surprised. You've seen some of the other videos, guys. You know, sort of 7 o'clock in the morning, people go down the beach. They haven't even got light yet. They're down the beach getting our spot for the day. Sorry guys, I don't think I could do that all day. Be bored silly. Maybe I'll have to do that on a video. It's only 10 minutes long, isn't it? Just sit on the beach for 10 minutes. Dude probably could do that. It cost me about 12 quid though. We got one of the sunbeds and parasols and stuff. They're about 6 quid each now, €6 each. Still quids to me. Still spend as quick. By the outbreak now. So we've got a few in. Music's not pumping out too loud, but yeah. ~3 now. Don't know what the video says now. Look at all these guys there. They got the same sleep problem as I have. This is what you want to see in it, guys. The real Benidorm. Well, a couple of me backside, I suppose, but there we go. Probably run me over. Yeah. See that? This is it, guys. All these people going out on the beach now. See what Benidorm's about. Yeah. No restrictions, mate.
Come on, bro.
Hello. You want a voice? God, there we go. Get there, lads. That's what it's like in Benidorm, guys. Cheers. They're all friendly. They're all friendly. Everybody's friendly here. It's the heat that makes them friendly though, I'm sure. It's too hot to do anything else there. Too hot to get mad. I don't know what I'd be saying that on my channel really, do I? I don't know, Mad Mike, what's going on? There you go, and soft or something. Yeah, you know how it goes, guys. We'll show you how it is. So you're not stupid or get too drunk. Benidorm's perfectly fine, probably the best place in the world to be out partying. I'm sure some of you will disagree with that, but yeah. I love the place, mate. It's still open. If it was daytime, yeah. We'll do a run along here to see what bars are shut there. It's just chilling. This bar there, still open, still chilling. Still missing Ash. Ash, if you're out there, give us a shout out, mate. Tell us you're alright. Miss you in Benidorm, mate. You stuck with me this far in the video, thank you very much, guys. I really appreciate it. They're starting to put the chairs away now. I want to go home, let me go home. And we guess what we got? Another big wagon coming there. Well, I've been wagons this time of night, guys. Anyway, I'm going to sign off. Don't forget to do the subscribe thing, and yeah, if you caught this video for the first time, do the subscribe thing. We can do loads more of these videos if you want. I'm just running out of ideas, so I'll just do my night videos at the moment. It's a lot cooler as well. Burger King's still open too. So you got anything you want filmed, let me know. See if we can do it. I'm not going into a hotel to start messing about with all that. I'm sure the ladies do that better than I do. Yeah, they get in there easier than I do too. Anyway, yeah, like I say, subscribe, we can do more videos for you. We can do more night videos, more day videos, whichever you want. Let me know. It's just Benidorm we need to keep in. I'm going to do other videos than Benidorm. I'm waffling now. So like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye.